In the new 0.18 version of Echotopia, we bring you an update featuring full library management and presets creation. Now, you have the ability to include the locations of your audio assets in the library, to access and import them in your projects from within Echotopia. A major new feature is also area presets. You can now create your favorite areas in the library using the same intuitive editor you already know from the map editor. Add loopers for texture, randomizers to create randomization, and finally set the acoustic properties of the area, then save them as one preset. Now, when you create an area on your map, you can include your favorite preset directly from the Create Area tool. It's that easy. You can export all preset settings and content to a folder so you can share it with your friends and the community, or import presets you get from other creators or storytellers into your library to use in your maps. Check out Echotopia at soundfellas.com. Have a great day!